Hello, my name is Jason Roy. I'm the Vice President of Mobile at Compare Networks, a software company in South San Francisco, California. I've been working with Calcey on our current project, I Am Smart, as well as a whole bunch of others for about 8 years. I Am Smart is the interactive mobile sales and marketing tool. It's a tablet-based presentation platform with a content management system behind it that ensures that the content on the tablets is in sync across many devices and many different users. It helps the enterprise by making sure that their people out in the field, their salespeople, have the most recent and relevant content in order to do their jobs, which is to present to customers. It also ensures that the entire organization is on message and has a consistent look and feel to all of their materials. So we have a pretty large client list. I can't name all of them, but all the way from small companies with 50 or so users on the platform to some very large Fortune 100 companies with thousands of salespeople. Some companies I can name, some of our bigger partners are Carl Zeiss, as well as John Wiley & Sons. We also work with Client Technologies out of Santa Clara as well. So Calcey Technologies does everything. They build the platform, they support the platform. We have a smaller team on my side that supports sales, marketing, project management on our side. Calcey has helped not just build the platform, but also envision how it should be built. They've helped in the design process as well. So we've gone from originally conceptually and worked with Calcey on this. There were just a couple people here, to now there's 15 full-time people working on this project. They do everything for all the work that really needs to be done to produce not only the apps themselves, but some of the content that goes inside of the apps. Sure, yeah, I'm extremely happy with Calcey's contribution. The app is very simple. At its core, it is a presentation app that shows content. But with all good software, the simple software is hard to build. And the thing that ends up happening there is, in order for this to be seamless and have things really synced and always available and not have errors, there's a lot that needs to happen. From moving that content from various servers, Amazon servers, or the application servers, and down to the device. Calcey's done a very good job of navigating that. There's lots of different APIs that work together. We use .NET MVC, Objective-C, a lot of HTML5. We use services like Urban Airship, Good Data, Omniture, and a bunch more, all sort of coming together to make this one seamless mobile experience. So currently I Am Smart is mostly being used as a sales tool for sales teams. We really see expansion of I Am Smart into actually having not just sales users use it, but actual professionals. For example, we have an app right now with Zimmer Dental that is for oral surgeons who do implants. And the app now is with those dentists or with those oral surgeons, and they can actually take notes on what they did with the patient, and be able to order the parts that then make that next step of the surgery work. There's also things like patient education in there, so they can show the patient what they can expect to have, really making sure that these tablet apps can be used in an engaging professional environment beyond sales alone. I love Sri Lanka. It's paradise. As I was saying, feels like, in Colombo, if you guys stopped moving for a little bit, it would be taken over by the forest. It's just absolutely beautiful island paradise. It's a little hot because I'm not used to it, but I love the people too. Everyone's extremely friendly, extremely accommodating. I'm getting to go to Kandy this time, or up near Kandy in the mountains. I haven't been to the mountains yet, and I'm really looking forward to that. Absolutely, I 100% recommend Calcey or people like that. The difference between a small shop like Calcey, they're very entrepreneurial. They care about the end user. They're empathetic, I should say, to the end user, and it's not just development. They really treat you and act as a real partner. Sometimes people in the United States think of offshore, and they think of, it's a completely different experience than what people think there. We are real partners. They know the business problem, the end user problem, and everything else. We work together. They bend their hours to work with our hours. We're true partners. I love, I love coming out here. I wish I could come out a little more often than I do. It is far away, because when I do come here, we get along great, and we get a lot done. And whenever, I know when I leave, at least, I leave very energized for the product and the team.